What is a challenge in the application of the neo-Marxist theory? It is the third paragraph that makes a reference to the neo-Marxist theory. So let's look at the answer choices in that context. Answer choice A, different political viewpoints may favor different economic policies. The passage has a reference to political viewpoints, but the passage makes no suggestion regarding different political viewpoints favoring different economic policies. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, politics plays a crucial role in economics. In the context of the neo-Marxist theory, the passage mentions the debate regarding whether it is reasonable to mix politics and economics. The passage doesn't offer any solution to this debate. So it is incorrect to state that politics plays a crucial role in economics. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, a lack of agreement over whether it is reasonable to mingle politics and economic strategy. In the context of the neo-Marxist theory, the passage mentions that there is a debate regarding whether it is reasonable to mix politics and economic goals, and further it states that a consensus is required before the theory can be applied by any country. So it can be inferred that this debate or the lack of agreement over this aspect is a challenge in the implementation of this theory. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D, politics and economics are two different aspects. In the context of this theory, the passage mentions the debate over whether politics should be mixed with economics. So if politics and economics are two different aspects, it presents one of the viewpoints involved in this debate. However, there being two different dimensions is not the challenge in the application of the theory. The challenge in the application is the lack of consensus. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, focusing on the means to spur the growth of GDP is unreasonable. The third paragraph mentions that the neo-Marxist theory calls for focusing on the means to spur the growth of GDP. So it is incorrect to state that doing so is unreasonable. So let's eliminate this answer choice. C is the correct answer.